Hold on, you're looking for BMW X5 LCI from 10 to 14 years, I think. Yes. Okay. If you need to remove this right fog lamp, oh, it's fall down. Okay, because it was removed. By the way, you need to remove this plastic. I was removed. It's by very simple. Just press here, inside here, in the middle. After that, from the bottom, and remove. Here, you can see some places where it's get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in here. Yes. After that, you need key T20 from vanadium T20. Yes, torque T20. You need to remove 2 screws here. You can see. I will remove fog lamp, and you will see here. Yes, it will be one will be in the here, and second will be here. You can freely here you can see one screw where is screwed here, and second will be here. Yes. Oh yes, it's very simple when you know, but when I try to find, I cannot just find it, by the way, instruction how to do. Another way, how to adjusting, just rotate, but in my version was a problem here. You cannot rotate here. You need to use some, I was used plastic motif plastic for plastic aerosol here. Now it's rotate, you can use it. By the way, inside here is lamp is H8 by Osram, Germany. Yes, it's not in a good quality, my bulb, however it's work. Now you know how to remove. By the way, you can try to adjust here this fog lamp, right fog lamp. However, it might not work because it cannot rotate here where is black, and I was need to work it, and now it's okay. How to install it? It's simple. You can install here, screw 2 screws from outside, install bulb, and install your grill. It's very simple. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. It's help you how to remove right fog lamp in BMW X5 e70. Thank you very much and goodbye. It was a BMW.